So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we will be learning about Monday range, that what is exactly Monday range and how we use it for trading throughout the week after the closing of a Monday day, like the day of Monday after closing of the Monday candle guys. We are going to range this Monday range. We are going to trade this Monday range throughout the week. So guys, let's get into this video. If you guys are new on this channel guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys are not in my Discord, guys, the link is in the description. Get into my Discord for free content, free trades. Guys, let's get into today's video. So, guys, at the time of recording this video, we are looking at the Solana chart and we will be definitely understanding that what is exactly going to be the Monday day. So, guys, first of all, this candle I have drawn for you guys, this is the Monday candle. As I've told you, that the Monday range trading starts after the closure of the Monday candle. So, just suppose that this candle is the Monday candle. Do you guys understand me? This is the Monday candle and the candle has been closed exactly at this level. So what is exactly going to happen now? Let's focus on this, guys. This is the start, like this is the downside, like this is the downside range and this is the upside range. Do you guys understand me? So let's focus on, so let's what you have to do is that to draw a line that is exactly going to be the demand zone from here. This is going to be the supply zone from Monday range. This is exactly as I have drawn it for you guys. This is exactly the supply zone. That is the upper part of the Monday candle is definitely going to be the supply zone. And what is exactly going to be this is demand zone, that is the downside guys, the downer edge guys. So what is going to be the downside of the Monday candle is definitely going to be acting as a demand zone. So what you guys have to do right from the next time, if you guys remember this, you have drawn this level, nothing much more you have to do for the week. This is your week range. Do you guys understand me? Now what you guys have to focus on, this is the demand zone, this is the supply zone. First of all, the price is going to be rejected from the supply zone, and once the price reach this demand zone, the price is going to be bouncing from the demand zone. So you guys have to buy here and sell here. This is very simple. This is very simple. So what you guys have to wait after the Monday range, after the closure of a Monday range, what you guys have to do is, this is the green candle. So it means that we have some kind of bullish momentum. And we guys, if we focus overall, this is a bullish momentum, right? So another candle formed like within a four, like what you have to do is, after forming this, like we are looking at the daily time frame, then you guys have to go to 15-minute time frame or whatsoever right there. And then the price will definitely rise to this supply zone, as we have already formed this wick. That is already our supply zone. So there is also a liquidity above this wick. What you guys have to do is now, what you guys have to do is that the price is definitely catching this liquidity, as it has already formed this liquidity and it is already a supply zone for now. And now what you guys have to do is, what you guys have to wait for, that the price will continue to go to the upside, take the liquidity of the supply zone, and then the price will come back to the downside. What you guys have to, and then the retest, and then that is the exact trigger point for your Monday range. What you guys have to do is to open a short position. If the candle is definitely closing below the body, you guys have to target this demand zone from the Monday range. The stops will be definitely above the previous wick. This is a very simple trade setup. That is exactly going to be the short setup. So what you guys have to do is that you guys have to target at this range. Do you guys see these prices? This is the level, this is the invalidation point. So once we see the price coming to this supply zone, took the liquidity, go to the downside, candle closing below the supply zone, you guys have to enter, and then the price will definitely consolidate all the way. You guys have to hold till this demand zone. And what is exactly going to be the demand zone? The demand zone is the level from where we get some sort of what you call it, some sort of, let's focus on that, what already we had, that we took the liquidity from the upper side, and now we are moving, we took the liquidity of the upper side, and then now we are moving all the way up to this demand zone. Now what you guys have to watch for, as we already have some sort of support right here, some sort of demand zone, you guys can exactly see from the Monday range. Nothing, you guys have to draw a range on the Monday candle exactly. Now what you guys have to do is that if we took the liquidity, guys, if we already have some liquidity, because we already had some bounce up from here, that's why it means that we already have some liquidity right here. So what exactly it will turn like, So once we grab the liquidity of the downside, we will definitely go above this demand zone, and now then we will retest, and then we will continue to go to the upside again all the way up to the supply zone again. This is the demand zone, and this is how it plays out. What you guys have to do right now from the demand zone, what you guys have to do is to open a long position till this what you call it, till this supply zone. The liquidation, oh, sorry, the SL should be definitely below the wick, and that is, do you guys see this? This is a how like 7 to 8 risk to reward ratio, 6 risk to reward ratio trade. This is a very simple trade setups, and this is a simple method to range trading. Like the Monday range trading is definitely considered to be a very good ranging trade whatsoever. What will happen right now after this, let me tell you something. Once we break above this supply zone, retest the supply zone, break above the previous high, that means that we already have found some good amount of support where that was exactly the supply zone. Now the supply zone just turned into a demand zone. So your simple ranges, what it was exactly the high of the Monday and the low of the Monday. The low of the Monday was the demand zone, and the high of the Monday was the supply zone. Now the supply zone has already turned into support. Now you guys, what you guys have to do is, after ranging all the stuff, what you guys have to do is to open a long position from this what you call it, this supply zone that is exactly going to be turned out into a demand zone, and now you guys have to range and target the next demand zone. So that's how you trade a Monday range. Let's focus on that in the candles. Let's get into the candle, guys. Do you guys see this, that I have already drawn some Monday ranges for you guys? And if you focus overall, let's focus on, this is the Monday candle, guys. This is the Monday candle on Solana. This is the high that is exactly acting as a, what you call it, the supply zone, and this is the low that is acting as a demand zone. Now what you guys have to do is, right now, let's focus on this. This is exact supply zone, as I told you. That is exactly acting as a resistance. Now you guys have to go to the smaller time frames. Now what you guys have to focus on, the smaller time frames. I will be telling you guys what you guys have to focus. Now we already have some very good momentum to the upside. This is the Monday range completely right here. Now do you guys see this? This was a very beautiful trade, guys. This was a very beautiful trade, and this is the resistance. So if you guys have taken this Monday range, so guys, what exactly you guys have to do right now, that, do you guys see this, that if you guys have taken the long position from here, the target was this high from the Monday range. The definitely the stops will be definitely below this previous high, the previous week, previous low, guys. That is exactly this level. So do you guys see this, that it is a risk to reward ratio of 11 risk to reward ratio. Let's focus on, as I said, this is the resistance, as it's a Monday high, guys. This is acting as a resistance. Do you guys see that on a 15-minute time frame, we already do not have some good candle closing above this resistance or the supply zone? If you look in the 1 hour time frame, guys, do you guys see that we don't have any candle, strong candle closing above this Monday high? And if you look in the 4 hour time frame, do you guys see this, that every single time we are coming above this level, we are seeing some sort of rejection. We do not have any candle closing above this level. So if somebody do not want, if somebody cannot understand to draw a support and resistance, the Monday range is exactly a very simple support and resistance for you guys. It has this price action is very choppy for now, but if you guys focus on, let's get into a smaller time frame, and I will understand you that what you guys have to do once you see this type of this sort of price action. Let's focus on, once we break to the downside, guys. Once we break to the downside right here, you guys have enter a short position targeting at this level. You guys have to just carry on the trade. The SL should be above this previous high, and you guys are targeting this level. If you guys are not, like, it has this, or it is not, because the momentum is always to the upside from here, because we are facing some type of bullish momentum in the market. But always, guys, most of the time this Monday range plays out like this. But for now, as I said, that there is a strong buying pressure in the market at the time of recording this video. That's why we are seeing a good momentum from here. But if you focus overall, guys, we already have some, like, the dump of some around like 6%. So guys, 6% dump is still a very good momentum until, guys, until, let me tell you something, this support and resistance, if we have break to the downside, you guys have to long from here, and then the target would be this region. If the price action could have happened like this is the level that you guys should be targeting on. So what exactly can happen with the price of Solana from this Monday range, I can predict, as we are already trading on the upper periphery. Once we break above this Monday range and breaking above this previous high of this level, guys, do you guys see this level, then I'm definitely focused on to open a long position from this level. My SL should be definitely below this previous like this demand zone, guys. This was exactly the supply zone for the price of Solana, and now it will definitely turn as a demand zone. For now, my target would be this region, targeting my next demand zone, next supply zone from this demand zone. So guys, this was a very simple brief discussion on the Monday range trading, guys. Nothing much more on the price of Monday range, guys. As always, until next time,